In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up ClickUp account. We'll walk through the exact clicks to get your workspace safely backed up in just a few minutes, with clear tips to keep everything secure and easy. Backups protect your tasks, projects, and notes from accidental deletes or unexpected issues. So let's get started. First, go to the ClickUp website and log into your workspace. Use the email linked to your account and your password. If you've forgotten it, use the Forgot Password option to reset safely. After you sign in, you should land on your main dashboard or home view. This is your command center, and it's a good place to quickly confirm you're in the right workspace before setting up the backup. To back up your ClickUp data, we'll use an external service called Pro Backup. Open a new browser tab, head to Google, and search for Pro Backup. From the results, choose the official site. Always verify you're on the legitimate page before continuing, since you'll connect it to your workspace. On the Pro Backup site, you'll see it's a paid service with a free trial to get you started. Click Pricing to compare plans so you understand what's included. Next, go to the Apps section to see what's supported, then select ClickUp. Now click Log In. If you don't have a Pro Backup account yet, choose Sign Up and create one. During onboarding, select ClickUp as the app you want to protect, then click Next. You'll be prompted to authorize secure access to your ClickUp workspace. Approve the connection so Pro Backup can read your tasks, projects, and any other data you choose to include in the backup. This authorization is standard and designed to be quick and secure. Once connected, Pro Backup starts preparing your backup in the background. The process is largely hands-off, so you can keep working while your data is safeguarded. That's the real benefit here. You gain an extra layer of protection without changing your day-to-day workflow. And that's the full workflow. You logged into ClickUp, confirmed your dashboard, found Pro Backup via Google, reviewed pricing and apps, selected ClickUp, logged in or signed up, clicked Next, and authorized the connection. With that done, you've added a reliable safety net for your workspace. Make a habit of keeping backups in place for the tools that matter most to your work and personal life, so you're always ready for the unexpected. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical guides on getting the most out of your digital tools.